Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 25. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the studio. Right now, young Yuner has been praised. Yuner, you are amazing. Her manager suddenly running fast to hers since she was still fixing herself, doing hair styling. Now, her manager seems to be tense. She was rushing forwards to her. Well, maybe it was really a good news, that's why she looks really happy. She's been excited. You can actually persuade Shang Guaning to go out with you to refute the rumors. The manager said to her, but right now, young Yuner, the more shady you play, the more you have to play straight and make quick decision. And I have made a note on this account, Yuner said to her manager. Now, it really makes sense. Her stepmother is getting angry. Shang Guangying is famous for being aloof. But she sent you home, invited you to sing duo, and cooperated with you to refute the rumors. She is interested into you. Now, she was really a heartthrob. Flowers see flowers bloom. What is so strange to like me? Oh, this girl. She was really overconfident on herself. Now, her manager said, well, Les, you are tricky, effective, but it's still not enough. You have to meet the reinforcement needle. The manager said to Yuner. Now, it really makes sense. She suddenly get paused. Probably she don't understand what his manager is going to say to her. But now, it really makes sense. The manager stood up and moving closer to her. The relationship between you and Shang Guaning is innocent, but the reason everyone's brought to the rhythm is because they feel that your relationship with Mr. O is too plastic. Now, looking at young Yuner, if there's such a rumor in the future, it will be self-defeating. Now, she was really unthinking. It's really a good way. I have no problem, young Yuner said to the manager. But now, she was really thinking hard. But Sissy will definitely not agree. Well, she was right, of course. She was really jealous person and also she became possessive. Your agent advice is to show our affections in public. I also find it absurd. Yuner said to Oh Chancy at this moment, since the two of them are talking right now on home. But he insisted that I ask you. Young Yuner said to Oh Chancy. Now, looking at this girl, it's like she was really a lost puppy. But she's going to ask approval for her master. Not absurd, but I can accept it. Oh Chancy said to her. Now, this is really interesting. Standing in amazement, what? Are you really willing? Young Yuner asking Oh Chancy at this moment. Well, of course, surely can believe it. Oh Chancy will let her. Oh, she was really nodding. Ah, look at her. She seems to be happy. Also, she noted to herself that this is not right. Maybe she was plotting something. Young Yuner, she became tricky. She moved closer to Oh Chancy and said to her, Are you really not in love with me? Oh, she's going to tease her so much. Well, what is she going to do right now? Oh Chancy seems to be understand this. Now, she put down the coffee on the table and she was calling her Wang Yuner. Well, this is really cute. Right now, she moved closer to her and acting that she's going to kiss her, but what if I really love you? Oh Chancy said to her. After hearing this, of course, right now, Oh Chancy, she was really teasing her so much, but young Yuner right now, it shouldn't be like this. Suddenly, right now, she was really going to accept her. Now, it really makes sense, right? Then, move out the contract lover and to dispel all the thoughts. That's the law. Why don't you answer? Oh Chancy said to her. Don't joke with me. I thought there was a long way to go. She instantly pulled the schedule directly to me, and her brain was not short enough to be short-circuited. Yes, how can I go back the answer? Now, she know to herself that Oh Chancy is really a smart person. Sissy, if you really love me, then you must fall in love with me. A second ago, you. Well, this thing, this really getting crazy. It's really sweet, but mostly, we're always teasing each other. Young Yuner, but I won't respond to you. Now, she remember what happened before. Her sister. Because I have an ulterior motives when I approach you. If you fall in love with me, you just fall in love with the false me. Young Yuner said to herself that she don't need to fall in love with Oh Chancy. It seems that she was really going to fall in love with her. Like me, if you're in love, you can help but you know what to do. Now, Oh Chancy, she moved closer to her and said to her, I will stop teasing you. Let's talk about the business. Oh Chancy said to her, well, finally, they're going to talk. Oh Chancy said to her, you can come and visit me. Now, since she was really happy, she defended on Oh Chancy at this moment. The brotherly will take pictures and send them out. Now, it really makes sense to Oh Chancy. She was really crying and laughing. Well, definitely, it was really funny. It was really a childish. The shooting of the magazine is going to start. Oh Chancy, she was going to visit her. On the other hand, Oh Chancy, finally she already arrived. Mr. O, you are here. I'm going to call her. The manager said to Oh Chancy, well, she seems to be welcoming. Right now, Oh Chancy. Oh, I will wait for her to finish. Oh Chancy said to the manager. So for the first time right now, she became patiently unwilling to wait for her. Now, this is kind of unavoidable accident. Suddenly, the horse, it was getting unstable. Now, Oh Chancy, she will really falls down on the floor. Now, looking at the horse, it is really uncontrollable. Now, she is going to fall down. Let's hope Oh Chancy can help her. But looking at Oh Chancy right now, she looks really worried, and she was calling Yuan Yuner. Well, definitely, Yuner. This is really a tough move. And also, it was really worrisome. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!